Hello everyone, happy to see you here and welcome back to my channel Brain Logic. In this video we are going to solve this really interesting and in the same way this is very relaxing, quick and really satisfying algebra question. So we have 100 plus 40 divided by 2. So very simple on the first side, everyone know this addition, everyone know about this division, everyone know about this number. This is not like a huge value, we don't have any thousands, we don't have any parentheses, we don't have any squares, cubes, which is really great. We have a very simple expression. So right here on the bottom, on the left hand side, we have 3 options. So option A, option B, option C. So right now I suggest you to test your school knowledge, to test your algebra skills right here, and to pause the video and try to solve it by yourself and write your option down into the comment section. We will check our answers here in just 1 minute. It will be really great. Just trust me, this is very tricky and really interesting question. So here's our question. I want to write it right here. So we have 100 plus 40 divided by 2. So here is our question. So one part of students solve it like that. I don't want to tell that this is correct or incorrect. I want to start with this solution. So 100 plus 40, one part of students start like that. So from left to right. So addition 140 divided by 2 equal to, so 140 divided by 2 equal to 70. Yeah, we have this option. This is option A. So this is our first solution, and I don't want to tell that this is wrong, this is correct, this is absolutely incorrect. I don't want to tell about it, but one part of students solve it like that. Okay, let's try to understand is it correct or not correct. Right here we add at first, then we divide. Is it correct or not correct? Maybe we need to start with this division, then addition. So here is our question, and let's try to figure out how can we solve this correctly. So obviously, whatever order of operation we select is going to create a different answer, right? So we need to understand what is the correct order to do this problem. Addition, division, or division, addition. So only 2 cases. For this question, I have this PMDMC order of operation. This is the main popular order of operation in the world. All internet libraries, scientific graphing calculator works according to PMDMC. And I respect every order of operation. For example, BODMAS, I respect about it. But in our case, it doesn't matter what order of operation, we will have the same answer, yeah? So PMDMC, let's rewrite our question and let's solve it according to PMDMC. Maybe we will have the same 70, I don't know exactly, but let's look at it. So 100 plus 40 divided by 2. 100 plus 40 divided by 2. Okay, according to PMDMC, as I told before, we have 6 steps real quick. So the first step, parentheses. What about parentheses? Are there any parentheses right here? No, I don't see any of those. We don't have any parentheses, so we just skip this part. Okay, next step, exponents. So what about exponents? Are there any exponents right here? So 5th power, 10th power, squares. No, I don't see any of those. We have only regular integers, so it's really great. So we just skip this part. And it's really great because these two steps give us a more complicated question. With parentheses, with exponent, it's like more complicated question and we don't need it. In our case, we don't have any parentheses and exponent. It's really great. Okay, let's go to the next step. The next step, multiplication and division. This is one common group, so we need to find multiplication and division signs right here. Let's look at it. Right here, addition, this is not good. Yeah, right here we have division, so this is our first step. We don't have multiplication, so we reject this step, and we have division. We have division right here. And we need to start with this division. Let's look at it. So we have 100 plus 40 divided by 2 equal to 20. Yeah, so as you can see, we have division, we don't have subtraction, so we can easily reject this step, and we have addition. So, saying in other words, we have division and addition. But division is before addition, so 120 we have as a result. But one really important moment. Right here we don't have this option. We have 70, we have 5 factorial, we have 80. So as you can see, a lot of students goes wrong and they go back to this wrong answer. Then they say, okay, 120, we didn't have this option, and they go back to this 70. But 70, I want to tell right now, that 70 is absolutely wrong solution, because we solve this problem as you type it in, from left to right, addition, then division, which is absolutely incorrect, because as I showed you before, right here we have division before addition. Division is before addition, so we need to divide at first, then we need to add. So our final answer, 120, is a correct answer to this question according to PMDMC. But right here we have a test, so we need to choose one option. Right here we have 70, 80, and 5 factorial. 70 obviously is not the same as 120, and 80 as well is not the same as 120. But what about this 5 factorial? Let's look at it. So 5 factorial, from school we need to know that 5 factorial, this is a product from 1 to 5, yeah? We have 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 and times 5. So we have 1 times 2, 2, 6, 24, and 120. So this 5 factorial, this is the same as 120, so our final result. If we are talking about a correct answer, according to PMDMC, correct answer is 120. This is option B if you're talking about the test. So our answer, correct answer is 120. This is option B. This is the same as 5 factorial. So very tricky question. I hope your answer is the same as mine, but definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. I wish you all the best in your mathematical adventures. So thank you for your time and have a great day.